actually the afternoon. I know we've been up for a while, but it felt like morning. What?
Look at the back of this. Look at this bottle.
That is adorable. What is this? This is the
hot chocolate ball, and there's a marshmallow in it, and it's shaped as a LOL.
And we are excited. Winston has a Star Wars.
Baby
Ella
Yoda.
has an LOL. Gage has a crazy hair day. SpongeBob. Is Braylee coming over? What, she's sleeping? Also, I've been working on my garland. I know a lot of people said these are a no-go, but they're gonna look, I mean, look how cute. They're gonna look really cute for a garland. Wrapped around the Christmas tree, right? I didn't make as many as I thought I was going to, so I don't know. I might just like make little strings, little garlands, and put them on the tree. Anyways, we've been here for 4 days. It's gone by so fast. We got the water. Oh, hello, I should have used that. Oh well, that's fine. Water's boiling. I was wrong. These are not hot chocolate balls. They are just chocolate balls with the marshmallows.
Should I buy it?
Sure, if you want to. You
Guys.
could try to put it in the water. Let's see. Let's see.
Can I see it?
Cute.
That's an LOL.
Dang, I thought they were hot chocolate balls.
Should I just buy it?
We didn't buy any other hot chocolate either. Yeah, you can just break it open. You could also try to put it in the water. I don't know what it will taste like.
This in the water.
I don't know if it will work.
What is he doing?
Okay, so
Gagey's kissing his.
that was just a little fail. I really also got one that was a frozen.
Let it go.
That's so disappointing.
Look.
Hey, Bray. Did you know that those were not hot chocolate balls, or did you also think it was a hot chocolate ball?
What are they?
Yours is in there. Nope. Yep. Rayleigh got a frozen one with an Olaf marshmallow. All it is just a chocolate ball with a marshmallow in it.
I bet if you put it in hot milk, then it'll turn into hot chocolate.
Maybe.
Yeah, that's how it works. Duh.
No, usually the chocolate balls have like a mix
but
inside.
I'm sure that works also.
I don't know. I didn't want to waste it. If it was gross. Well, what? I've been obsessed with these. Casey just surprised me. I haven't tried this kind before. But I've already eaten 2 chocolate oranges while we've been here. I was just telling Braylee that my waves have stayed in. I washed my hair before we left. And stop Snapchatting me.
I'm not Snapchatting you. I'm taking pictures of you. Where's your deodorant? I have the leaves here.
Anyways, I haven't washed my hair since Sunday. It's Friday. And I know that seems gross, but I forgot my bag with my shampoo and conditioner and my hair oil and stuff. And my hair is dry. So I haven't washed it. And I haven't touched up these waves. This is from that wave wand. I wanted to wear my hair like this for Thanksgiving with my parents. Look at this. Look how good those waves look still. So like, why would I wash my hair? Riley said she's washed her hair every day. Seriously, my skin is like flaky. Everything is so dry. So I don't want to wash my hair and have it just bristle away. But I've been very impressed by my hair.
Guys, look, my hives on my.
They always stay in this wall. I'm going to leave a link if you guys want to try a wave wand. It is on sale right now for Black Friday, but they usually have pretty good
My
sales.
armpits hurt so bad from shaving with that razor. It's freaking cut down to the skin.
Yeah, that was intense. Casey got us a razor from the dollar store, and I
That was
cut
from
myself.
the dollar store?
Yeah.
That's a good razor for the dollar store.
Or the Dollar General, which is not all $1, but it was very, very intense. I cut myself, really removed a layer of skin.
Really got the job done though.
I know, it really was
But it
super sharp.
hurts. Razor burn to the
Anyways,
max.
they're getting ready to go back out to do some hunting.
So excited.
I think I'll finish some crafts. I just didn't bring enough. I wanted to tie everything with jute, like the middle of my little pom-poms, and I ran out. I didn't plan. Looked like I had a lot. I did not.
I'm coloring a flower.
You're coloring a flower? The kids have been working on their Christmas list.
This is mine. And what does this spell again?
What?
iPod?
You're not getting an iPod?
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
What
Okay.
does this spell again?
Toy,
Um,
dog, pug.
toy dog pug and a 3D pen. And what is this spell?
Ninja.
Ninja Kid Toys and
I don't know what that is. Bob.
no.
Bop it. Bop.
No, Pop It.
Oh, pop it.
And
JoJo toys. Nice. I like that list. That's great.
And it says a little decorate on it.
Very cute. I like it.
Don't see that after we do. See when my mom's done talking to you and I'm done doing this, okay?
And then we'll show them the
No,
finished.
don't put the camera right here, okay?
Why?
Because you have to.
Because I have to.
Yep.
Because I have to.
Put it right there. Put it right there.
How many times Brady farted this morning?
That was you. It was disgusting. Right on me.
Ew, this is why I don't go ahead
Her
and
and Gage, him and Gage, I was sitting in the middle. They were both farting on me.
Pretty sure it's Brady.
Ew.
Pretty sure it's
I wanted
Brady.
to die.
That's hilarious. And gross.
Guys, look at
Somehow it's our last day here. Braylee had a successful hunt. If you want to see that, you can always find their hunts on Hushin. So check it out, or Hush. But it's been a good day. It's been a good trip. I love it here. Nobody wants to go home. Everyone wants to stay. When Casey told us we were going to be here for 7 days, I was like, 7 days?
7 days.
It seems so long, and it's gone by
It's like
so
that
fast.
game you used to play in junior high, 7 Minutes in Heaven.
What? In junior? What?
You make out with girls in
I
the
didn't
closet.
do that.
that game.
Did you really play that? I did not ever play that.
No.
Wait, what game is it, Dad?
I had a friend that did.
What game is it?
7 Minutes in
I
Heaven.
thought you were gonna say heads up, 7 up.
Oh.
Wait, how do you play it?
Well, if you're playing that and not playing 7 Minutes in Heaven, then you're
I
game.
played it
No,
before.
the way
Wait,
forward.
Dad, how do you play it?
Anyways, we're heading
I've never played
to
it.
go
but I'm gonna
bowl
never
and
play
go to
with
the
you.
arcade and go hang out at our favorite spot. I also want to go in the store. I forgot to tell you guys, look at that. You can rent these covered wagons here also. I talked about everything. I was actually just editing that vlog and I didn't talk about the covered wagons, but look at this. All of these
so
adorable
cute.
tiny homes. This is just the coolest place.
Yeah. It's better than all.
I love it here. Whoa!
Ah!
Those curves will really jump out at you.
About ran over the curb.
It's just,
Mom, I don't need any
it's so fun. I would love to come here for Christmas actually.
Come
Colorado
here for Christmas.
is beautiful. All the snow melted. How lucky were we that it snowed one day?
It wasn't supposed to. So you're very lucky if you were wanting to.
And that everyone was so awesome and took pictures with me. And the
Yeah, I am
snow.
awesome.
That was the
I am
best.
awesome.
You are awesome.
Yeah.
Girl.
Okay.
Okay, whoops.
Okay.
Man, okay, I can't do all these things at once. Uh-oh. We think... Oh, wait. Oh, it's open. We think the store is probably closed because it's Sunday, but this is what it looks like. I definitely want to come here in the summertime. We did this. I think that you can, like, mine for those, like, cool rocks. We did this in Park City, but this is fun for the kids to... Usually there's water running through there. And then we've gotten the hot tub over there. Somewhere. I actually don't know. Maybe over there. Oh yeah, right through there. I don't know what that is. But in here, look how pretty it is. I mean, can you even? In here is where we've been bowling and going to the arcade. It's a bowling alley. Anyways, we've been hanging out in here, bowling and eating. It's been a lot of fun. I think we're going in the arcade. Let's see. Look at this outfit. It's the cutest thing I've ever seen.
Get up, these
Right here.
Dad, get out of here, boys.
Are you gonna do it?
I'm gonna get this. That's my.
Seems like it would be so easy, huh?
It's not.
Please win those for me. That was pretty close.
That was close. One more time.
Get it right in the same middle.
No, that is mine.
What?
Those are mine.
No. Really, I hate AirPods.
I do too. They hurt my ear.
Oh, darn. Can you try again? Go, Layla. Go, Layla. Oh, that's a glittery dot. Darn, you were so close. You did good. Here she goes again. Oh my.
I don't think it fits.
Gage just made like 3 again backwards. she's so talented. The other day when we were bowling, he got a stripe by rolling it backwards. So we are just convinced that he does everything better backwards. Do you guys want to bowl? Let's bowl. Man. Okay, fine. Gage, how do you have this score? I bowled that last time. Okay.
Dang it.
How did I do that? It's not even there yet. See, he does everything better backwards. Oh, Bright's gonna try it now. Have you seen how many baskets he makes backwards? I don't get it. That's pretty good. I like it.
Good job, Birdie.
It's fine.
Okay, guys, I'm gonna do something really stupid cool. Okay, guys, we're gonna take it for a minute. What's this? And my brother is so real, so I'm not gonna show you anything.
That is a lot of ducks, guys. A lot of ducks that were won.
We won.
Was that the funnest thing to play?
Guys, I want this.
Are you gonna take all those ducks home?
I want this. I found this one.
I love those. He's been working on these all day because he has a market this week. And he's selling pictures that he drew. He had to do 16. He still has to color them and add like candy and cookies, right?
No, I don't need to.
But that's super cute.
They could draw it in.
Yeah, they could. It's always sad the last day that you have to like pack and get ready and clean. Yeah, we have to pack tonight. I'm doing laundry so that we can pack clean clothes. I love that. I love when you can do laundry. I mean, I don't love doing laundry, but I do love that we can take clean clothes home rather than a bunch of dirty clothes. Yeah, we're gonna make these later. We got these that we're gonna make tonight. Wow, that was very good. I love that. For the lipstick.
Her name is a sock. Can I guess what her name? Lipsy Lips.
Lipsy Lips. Did you draw this one too? That's so cute. My kids love just following along with, I think it's a kids art hub.
No. Oh yeah, kids all. This is
and
my
then
first one.
That's where Winston learned how to make all of these.
Yeah.
And they're really easy to follow along with and so much fun. My kids love it. So if
I
you're
love
looking
it
for
so
something
much.
for your kids to
Guys,
do that's not just like only
guess
screen
what?
time, I highly recommend it.
I got some real
I'm
beautiful.
Oh, Freely and I are just taking a little drive. We went and got some groceries. We needed some vegetables. I mean, I've also been just spending a lot of the day eating.
I haven't really eaten that much.
Yeah, you've been busy. I've just been kind of hanging out.
I should feel like light from all the freaking hiking I've been doing.
Yeah.
Maybe I've gained some muscles.
Yeah, you have. Braylee said that she had so much fun though. I think it's always good for you guys to get away with Dad and just have like time for yourselves, because when the whole family's together, there's a lot going on. The little kids are really loud, so it's always good to have like even 2-on-1 time with the older kids.
It was like a good getaway because I feel like this year's been kind of heavy on like everybody, and so it was nice to like get out into nature.
Yeah. I didn't get out into nature, but it did also feel that way to me too. I think that's why the week seemed to go by so fast, because I was still doing a little bit of work, but it just was just nice to like
It's just
not
like such a
have
mellow
lot.
place, I feel like.
Yeah.
I think until you start.
Oh, you made my seatbelt lock.
Doing cookies this time. Last time we did a Jingle bells, that one smells. Oh, what? Fun it is swing
Yay! Someone's
You guys say it.
Let's go see about this group over here.
Hey!
Jingle bells.
Jingle.
You need more frosting, sissy.
Okay, well, I'm going.
Yep.
Guys, look. I don't know what I'm doing with mine.
So
We're drawing the snowballs.
They had them. We told them we'd take them. None of
Like
us
she's
realized at the
getting
time.
hit by snowballs.
Oh, knocked down.
Look. I don't know what I'm drawing, by the way.
To the fourth-
Doing, not drawing.
Look,
I've been drawing the whole day.
Cute cookies. These are all from today. And this is from our gingerbread house. How cute is that little snowboarder? Little snowboard. This is fun. I actually think I liked the cookie decorating better than the gingerbread houses, although gingerbread houses are like tradition. The cookies were just a little easier. They weren't like falling apart, you know. Anyways, we're about packed up. It's so sad. It makes me so sad. Even like looking at an empty drawer. Like this drawer we filled with all of our food. And now it's empty. And it's just sad. Time is going by too fast, but it was a lot of fun. I am really excited to get home and get the house decorated for Christmas. That will be great. I was ready to get out. I have one more load of laundry to do, and then we'll be good to go. Okay, we'll see you guys tomorrow.